this has been long awaited for myself because I haven't got any requests to do it. But I'm going to do it because it's going to be fall, new seasons, new change, new... Yeah, but we have a lot to do. We have to wash the bedding, wash the curtains, mop the floor, vacuum the floor, dust, declutter, just all kinds of stuff. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So those two bags I'm waving around like a crazy person. One bag is for donations and the other bag is for garbage. And I like to always have big bags like that when I go shopping. I keep them just so that I can put my donations in and garbage in. So always recycle and reuse your stuff. We had gone camping and I still hadn't unpacked my bag. It's like a thing now. It's just a constant thing. Every time we go on a trip, I just leave those suitcases for last minute. It's just something I do. I don't know. I gotta get better on that. I'm using the Mrs.Meyers multi-purpose spray in the basil scent. I literally use this for the whole entire room, for everything. I love the multi-purpose spray. It works amazing on windows, it works amazing on my furniture, everything. I just love it so much. I even used it on the baseboards. I had neglected the back of my dresser for a while now, so I wanted to pull it back and see what goodies were in there waiting for me. And there wasn't that much stuff, and there wasn't that much dust, so I'm pretty surprised. This was kind of gross. I hadn't cleaned the windows in a while, so there was a lot of buildup from summer and all the old spring pollen, dust, all kinds of stuff, little baby bugs, everything. But I got it cleaned with some warm soapy water, that rag, and at the end I used the Mrs.Meyers multi-purpose spray. I put some in there at the end on that rag. Now I'm just putting the curtains back up. They're nice and washed and refreshed. I get most of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I'm going to link everything I have down below. They're really great natural products that make me 100% happy, so check it out. I think my favorite part of cleaning is lighting candles. That's just amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite part after you finish cleaning your house. Be sure to leave a comment down below with any video suggestions or anything you'd like to see. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you all enjoyed.